Hi guys, if you want to create a loading button like this, you should be use a loading button package. You should be add this in pubspec.yaml file and use this in main.dart. And to use this, you should be use a rounded loading button controller to set its success or failed. And you should be create a unpressed function for give this. I create this in here, and you should be get a controller to set its success or failed. And I create a timer to delay its success and create a and write in here controller that success to set button or loading button status to success. And you should be create a rounded loading button widget in here. I create it in here, and you should be add a success icon and failed icon and controller. I give this controller button controller and create unpressed and create a child, and I created a text widget child for this, and it's click me. Okay, and it's working.